I'm in a BMW M140i. Over there is a Ford Focus RS. Next to that is an Audi S3. Next to that is a VW Golf R. And next to me is the new Mercedes A35 AMG. So I've got a 3-litre straight 6 turbocharged engine with 340 horsepower. The Focus RS has a 2.3-litre turbocharged engine with 350 horsepower. The Audi S3 has a 2-litre turbocharged engine with 310 horsepower. So does the Golf R as well. And to tell you about the Mercedes, we've got a guest driver. So, hey guest driver.
Can you tell us about your car?
I've got an A35, 2-litre, I think it's 306 brake horsepower. It should give you a good run, I hope.
I think you will give me a good run.
So you've got all-wheel drive. In fact, all the cars are all-wheel drive. Just my car is rear-wheel drive. But
I think I've got the most skill, so
I should be able to beat you anyway.
I've heard that before.
Hopefully, I'm going to beat Yanni, because if I don't, he will be unbearable. Now, I should point out that all the cars are automatic apart from that Ford Focus. We've all got launch control, and the Focus has a sort of weird manual launch control, so we'll see how that plays out. Oh, before we do though, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, follow us on Instagram at carwow and check out Yanni's channel as well, Yanni Mize. Right, let's do this. Come on, 6 cylinders. No. Bloody hell, that went. That went so fast, that A35.
Come on. Wow, the S3 is quick.
But I think it's going to get hard by the Audi.
How's the S3 doing me? Are you serious? Hate losing, hate losing, hate losing, hate losing, hate losing. How is the S3 doing that to me?
I'm gaining on it. Come on, come on, come on.
Ah, that banana was quick.
How quick was the S3?
I did not even expect that to be anywhere near me.
What's surprising is that it's got the same engine as the Golf, yet
It kind of destroyed the Golf.
bizarre.
He just kept pulling, and I weren't even getting anywhere near him.
I just couldn't catch him back.
I was gaining on you. I actually did all right.
Considering this was rear-wheel drive. If this was a half mile, I'd have had you.
You beat me there, but I think the Audi beat you, didn't it?
I came first, yeah.
The faceless voice from the Audi. Unfortunately, we don't have any cameras on him, but he just thought he'd join in. And why not? It's his car. He's clearly very pleased about it. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Audi did the quarter mile in an incredible 13.2 seconds. The Mercedes took 13.5 seconds. The BMW just beat the Golf by a nose, but both took 13.6 seconds. And the Ford Focus RS took 13.8 seconds. However, the way that fast banana beat the Golf so convincingly when they're supposed to have the same engine and gearbox did raise my suspicions. Mr. Audi driver, have you got your car tuned?
No, the only thing, I got a res delete on the middle silencer exhaust, but that doesn't give me any power gains.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from third gear from 50 miles an hour. I'm going to call it in over the radio when everyone's level with me. Okay guys, here we go then. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this picks up so well. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye, my lover.
How am I the slowest? Jeez. Wow, I'm in the slowest car.
Yes, yes. 3 litre, 6 cylinder for the win.
Yeah, that's not cool.
How did that feel, Yanni?
One word.
Slow.
Hate losing. Even when it's not my car.
Oh, poor Yanni. Still, at least he can rest assured the S3's owner was telling the truth about it not having more power than standard. If it had, the Audi would have beaten the Golf R in the rolling race too. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. Full emergency stop when we hit the cones. All the cars weigh about the same. A lot of this is going to be down to reactions, and I know his reactions are pretty good. I don't know why they are. It's like some kind of ninja. Here we go. Here's the cone. Here's the cone. Here's the cone.
See you later, mate. Look at that S3. Matt, where are you? Hold on. I'm trying to find you.
Yeah, very funny. I'm like about
2 metres in front of you, that's all. Don't get carried away.
I got bad eyesight.
Much as it pains me to say this, it's 2-1 to you.
in our little competition, but overall,
That Audi is the clear winner, isn't it, really? Won the drag race and the brake test, and he was on it in the rolling race as well.
Audi S3 overall wins the day. Actually, it didn't. On closer inspection of the footage, the Audi driver appeared to cheat quite badly, which meant Yanni in the Mercedes won the brake test. So, in the end, it was one for the Merc, one for the BMW, and one for the Audi. If you enjoyed this video, please click on our logo to subscribe to this channel, or to watch more content on the bottom right hand corner. However, if you want to save money on a car, click on the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save at CarWow.